Colorado's weather first tonight. Here's Chris Spears. Chris.
Well, Kathy, we hit 60 today, both here at CBS 4 and out at the airport. We started just around the freezing mark. Now, these numbers are more like what we would expect in late October or mid-April, so way off the averages of 43 and 18. The records for this date, 72 and minus 17. Western Colorado, you're colder. You have more cloud cover with the approaching storm, so we're mostly in the 20s and 30s out that way. Eastern side of the state, much warmer. We made it into the 50s and 60s, now cooling back mostly in the 40s. It's still 60 at last check at La Junta. A special hi to Jeff Beavers. This is our newest weather watcher in Parker, just joining our program. 46 degrees at his house, 22 at Paul's house out there in the Gunnison area, and he is awaiting snow. In fact, all of western Colorado under winter weather advisory most of the day tomorrow into Monday. 3 to 8 inches of snow, some places up to a foot. This storm's going to be extremely windy as well. So if you have any mountain travel tomorrow into Monday, you may want to get going tonight, if at all possible. High pressure leaving the area, low pressure coming in from California. And this is responsible for that cloud cover that came in here this afternoon. It's out ahead of the approaching storm. Sunday into Monday, see this word right here? This will be the headline other than the mountain snow. It is going to turn very windy statewide as we wrap up the weekend and start the new week. Here's the cloud cover coming in and starting to see a couple of snow showers creeping into western Colorado. We're going to see this trend continue as we go into your evening. In fact, Futurecast does a very nice job showing snow developing between now and midnight in the western mountains. Overnight and towards sunrise tomorrow, the snow becomes more widespread. Eastern side of the state, the urban corridor, we'll just have cloud cover and eventually getting that wind machine cranking. Snow stays in the high country. It could snow all day tomorrow, off and on waves of snow. So again, mountain travel could be pretty tricky on your Sunday. As the early Monday morning, we'll get a little lull before a second wave comes back into the high country. So 2 rounds of mountain snow on the way. Tonight, we'll be in the teens and 20s just about statewide, 30s along the foothills on the I-25 corridor. High mountain valleys will fall into the single digits. Tomorrow, much like today, eastern side of the state, the warmest, 50s and 60s. Western side of the state, the coolest, socked in with clouds and that chance for snow. Here's the 5-day forecast. It looks like this. We're going to be very windy Sunday into Monday. Kathy, a tiny little cool down on Tuesday. But at this point, we do not see any major storm systems headed our way other than these 2 mountain snow producers Sunday and Monday.
50s.
50s to 60. Isn't that crazy?
It's crazy.
We'll pay for it at some point.
Yeah, thanks, Chris.
Sure.